Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new case and we're going to be changing the case. I've got the Thermaltake View 270 TG. So here I am, I've took it out. So it's a fish tank case with support for three 120mm fans up top, including a 360mm AIO at the top as well. It's got an easy pop off side glass mechanism for the side and the front panels. It's got the easy pop off. So it's got room for two fans on the side, three on the bottom, three on the top, and one at the back. The one at the back can either be 140mm or 120mm. So there are both the side panels off. Give that fan a spin. Okay, so we also got the front panel. So we got the power button, the reset switch, a microphone jack, a headphone jack, USB 3, and USB Type C. So now we're taking off the back panel. These screws stay in the whole time. I didn't know at the time, so I kept them trying to get it out, but they just stay in, which is they're like a fancy type of screws. I don't know what they're called though. So you just slide the back panel off like that, and then in the back you've got your front panel cables and the fan cable, and you've also got a pack of screws and zip ties and that. HD audio is still got all the ketchup and mustard and all them colourful cables, which is just, yeah. Okay, so now we're looking in the bag. We've got zip ties. We've got this, which I think you plug into old computers, otherwise they get a warning. And I think it's for temperatures or something like that, actually. So we got my zip ties. And we got a cleaning cloth to clean the glass. And we also got these weird brackets, which I don't know what to do with, so I didn't use them in the build. If anyone knows what to do with them, comment it, please. Here we've also got the screws, nice bag of screws, and that's what we got in there. So now we're gonna take apart my old case. So I had a white PC, so I am gonna have to put the white fans in the new case, but hopefully I'll be changing that soon. So we're gonna start off by taking out the graphics card. The cables were really tight in there, so I couldn't get it out, so I had to pull quite hard. There we go. And then now we have to unscrew the PCI bracket and then both the other two brackets. Okay, so I've unscrewed it now, and now I'm pushing down on the lever on the motherboard, which unclamps it from the PCIe slot on the motherboard so that you can pull it out. So I got one side of it up, but the other side wasn't going up, so I had to lift up the PCI bracket and then I could get it out. And there it is. It's a Palette NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super overclocked edition, I think, yeah. For anyone wondering, we got some cat cam. You can see a lot of this cat. It's called Harry. Very fluffy. Okay, so now I'm unplugging all my fans in my old case, and we're going to leave 3 of the front fans in this case because I might be using it for another build. So we're only going to take out the rear fan and the 2 top fans. Got some more cat cam. He was chilling on the box sniffing side panels. Then started washing like all cats do. Okay, so I've unplugged all the fans. Now I just need to unscrew them and take them out. Got some more cat cam. He was trying to eat the zip ties. Or do something with them, I don't know what he was doing. Crazy cat. He also tried helping me screw some screws. Oh no, unscrew some screws. Look at that help. Very helpful. Nice one, Harry. Then goes back to eating zip ties. Okay, so here's the last screw on the rear fan. Very nice spin that was. Oh, now we're back to cat cam. Eating my fan. Nice. Sitting on my graphics card. Nice. And there's the last fan out. So all the fans are now out that case that I need, apart from the motherboard fan on the CPU, of course. Got a very nice spin to them. So them 3 fans are going to be the ones that stay in, and we may use in another build. Then he tried starting to eat the screws. He's a crazy cat. I don't know what he was doing. Now he's sniffing the fan blades. Okay, so I took the 24 pin out, and now I'm going to take out the 8 pin on the CPU. Harry's always trying to help. Very nosy cat. So I took it out, and now I'm just going to unplug every single cable in my motherboard. So we got HD audio, USB, then we got the front panel, headers, had to lock that up so that the cat wouldn't eat it. And then he started playing with the fan. This was hilarious. He literally just starts turning the fan. So I took the USB 3.0 out as well. I think my dad was too focused on filming the cat. Okay, so that's all the motherboard unplugged now, I think. So now I'm threading the cables through to the back, and then we're gonna take it out. Okay, so just before we take it out, can we acknowledge that the company V-Box put only 1 screw to connect our motherboard? So 1 screw was holding up my whole pre-built gaming PC motherboard from a company. one screw from a company. That's just like, at least do like 3 or 4. Like I did 4 when I reinstalled the motherboard, because that would be more than enough to hold it. But 1, that's just like a bit risky. So here we unplug the motherboard because there's only 1 screw, and now we can just take it out. Harry is so nosy. He will do anything to get a sniff at something. Now I'm reinstalling the IO shield in the back of the new case. This was very hard to get in because there were so many cables in the way. Because the rear fan has so many cables going from it. It has like multiple ARGB cables to connect other ARGB devices into and all that. Which is good because then it got both the fans lit up in the end. But yeah, didn't really do that well for cable management. Harry was playing with my fan. Funny guy. He barely even get out from under there. Look, he's slipping. And then walks right over my graphics card. So here was unplugging. Oh, I had unplugged the RGB hub for my fans. And now I was taking the power supply out, so I was unscrewing the 4 screws that hold it in, and then we're just gonna take it out and then put it in the new case when we've got everything else mounted in there. Okay, so the last screw is now out, and now I'm just gonna pull the power supply out just like this. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And there's our power supply. It's a Aerocool integrator, 700 watt, something like that. But it's a non-modular power supply. Yeah, pretty basic. It's like £50 for a 700 watt. So I had installed the fans you just saw, and now we're installing the motherboard. Now you may think that's a weird fan configuration, but when you only have 3 extra fans that you can put in the case, I would say that's the best thing. That you have 2 intake and 2 exhaust. So here I was getting the motherboard in, we were just lining it up on the standoffs, and now we're screwing it in. So this bit was quite tricky because, especially for the top left screw, there's so many cables in the way of it. Here I am showing that I've got 4 screws in. That one was the hardest one to get, so I just had to do it off camera. Now we're gonna plug in the front panel, HD audio, USB 3.0 on the front panel, and we're gonna leave out USB-C because my motherboard doesn't have USB-C or ARGB, which is why I need an adapter. So now we're putting the power supply in. So then we're gonna cable it up, I think, or I might do something else first. I think I cable it up though. So yeah, I did cable it up. So I got the 24 pin in and the 8 pin on the CPU in. Nice little thumbs up. Now we're going to put the CPU fan on the CPU heatsink. That was nice. That was pretty quick and easy. Now we're going to finally install the graphics card. So we're unscrewing the PCI brackets, both of them are out, and now we need to install the graphics card. So I got my dad to film, because you really need 2 hands to install this behemoth of a graphics card. So the graphics card did rub against my side fans a little bit, so I don't know if that was a problem, but I don't think it is, because right now my computer's working fine and I'm literally editing on it, and I've benchmarked it and all that to make sure it works alright. And now we're turning it on. So I had everything plugged up just in my living room, plugged in just in my living room, and everything turned on first try, even both the fans, which can be controlled simultaneously from the remote, and then the other 3 that I installed had to be controlled by like a wireless remote. So the PC booted, it was all good. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe, some more videos are coming soon. Bye.